Hello YouTube. So we are continuing with the short course. So I'm back at my place in Nairobi. So the thing is, we are going to be talking, last time we talked about probabilities. Now I want us to talk about risk to reward, because I think there are two topics that are related. There are two topics that are related. Now when you talk risk to reward, there's the conventional method of like entering and exiting trades based on like above one. So for this one, in the probabilities video, I talked about it, where for as a day trader, you are a day trader and you are going to enter a lot of trades in the course of the day. Yeah, maybe even 10 to 20. You are just like a fancy scalper. But yeah, so we are going to be entering the markets for short duration of time, then we are out of the market. So when it comes to risk to reward ratio, I told you to use the chart that we had determining the percentages. So in the last video I showed you how to calculate it. So for me personally, there are times I have a system where I can be exiting on risking $1, getting off 10 cents, 20 cents, 40 cents, but the maximum as a day trader I usually exit at it's 40, because when you start reaching to the 0.5, you need only to take like one setup. But for me, I exit at maybe 20 cents, and I I enter like several trades in a day on different pairs, that is. But if you're entering for those large risk to rewards, you need to be entering the markets very rarely, not frequently. So for me as a day trader, and for my psychology, I showed you the concept of like how to use the risk to reward to be able to cover your like psychological issues. So the next video I'm going to be talking about risk management, so I'll not dive much into this one, because I think risk is the next topic we need to talk about on my chart as I see here. So that will be that, yeah, on time frame. So overall, continue like learning. You can rewatch the videos like a couple of times for you, so that you can be able to understand more easily and get the concepts of what I'm saying. But yeah, what I've said is, when it comes to risk to reward as a day trader, I suggest, if you're trading breakouts, that I'm suggesting you do exit at less than 0.5. okay, so risk $1 to get less than half a dollar, less than, not half a dollar. If you are entering the maximum, if you want to exit at half a dollar, only enter one setup a day, and you need to enter those setups early in the morning before London. Okay, so that I will show you why I'm saying that, so that you can have more time to recover. Yeah, so I think that's that for this video. This one will be a short video, not like the others, because there's no new concept. I've talked about much of what I needed to talk about in the probabilities video. So let's meet in the next video.